we also start looking at the youth and youngsters there? How do we make them not to migrate to the cities to thinking that's the opportunity available, but opportunities would be available if most of the institutions decide, can some of these processing things, which with the technology we have today, we can scan it, we can send it and do it, can it be passed on to these centers, which will definitely create an inclusion in that context. Second issue is the question of the infrastructure part and how it can be used across. I think if you take the example of the depositories, today I think the number of depository accounts held by banks is, the private sector banks has the maximum number of depository accounts, ICICI and HDFC, but they have the least number of banks network. If you look at the public sector banks, they have the maximum number of branches in terms of network, but they are not too keen or they are not comfortable in handling a depository account. So how do we bridge this gap? What we have been trying to do with these banks is that to tell them that, look, we have the capability to handle this. We are an institution who are already doing clearing and other services. We can be the link or via media in between. What would happen in this is that the banks who have such a huge network are not doing anything or not being able to do anything on these activities, then it would help in using the network for getting in these accounts. The general feeling in banks is they are not touching this because they feel that we have staff who are not trained to do this, we have a problem, we have to deal with two regulators. So I think the linkages could be better if we try and see that if there could be an institution or any other agency in between who could take up the process and other activity,